Well, hello, girl. Here's another girl. Everybody's hanging out. Huh? Did you guys get some food? Yeah? Did you get some good food? Yeah? Oh, you want to look in the house already? Huh? Where's everyone else hiding? Huh? Yeah. I don't see your mommy or your daddy. I see Hardy. Yeah, I see Hardy. Yeah, what are you up to today? You're not running around at the moment, huh? Did you just wake up from a nap? Yeah, you were out exploring last night. You and your brothers and sister. Yeah. You gonna jump? All right, look at that. You know they're getting big when they can jump up there. You know what that signifies? Their days here are numbered. Yep, days are numbered. That's the sign. When they can jump on those chairs, the days are coming to an end. Here. But their new chapters in life are just beginning. Wow, look at you, Jumper. You little explorer. Yeah. There's your sister. You gonna make it up? You gonna make it up? Jump. Yeah, the blue ball wasn't as big a hit with you guys. Yeah. Kitties are different every time. Yeah. Kitties are different. Right, little girl? Even the hole in the deck hasn't been a big hit. Right? You guys are more into climbing trees and running and zooming, exploring. Yeah. You want to explore everything and everywhere. That's why they went on a mission to roam around. Whoop, don't fall. You went down. Yeah. And where is your mommy? Huh? We don't know. Yeah. Yeah, they're all roaming around. Wow, girl. Wow, girly. Look at you. Yep. Oh, you gonna drink that? I don't think you want to drink that. Yeah. She says, yeah, I do want to lick it. This is better than that big bowl of water you just filled. Yeah. You're crazy, girl. Where'd they go? Over there? Yeah. Wow. You're a sweet talker. And a climber. Look at that. Wow. Pretty girl. Wow-wee. Pretty girl walking along the edge. Wow. Are you a little explorer? Yeah. You looking for the birdies? Don't fall. Don't fall, pretty girl. Yeah. You definitely don't want to fall from way up there. Break a knuckle. Wow, wee, look at that, everybody. A pretty girl. A very pretty girl. Yeah. What? You're such a pretty girl. Huh? You are a pretty girl. Where is everybody hiding? Huh? Yeah. Where are they? Huh? Wow. Are you gonna jump way up high? Huh? You gonna jump way up high? Pretty girl? Oh, you can have that leaf. Yeah, you can have that leaf. You're a little talker girl, aren't you? You're a little talker girl. Yeah. You're a pretty girl, too. Pretty sweetheart. Yeah. Pretty sweetie. Tickle the belly. Yeah, tickle the belly. Oh, you want a lick? Thank you. You're such a little celebrity. Where'd everyone else go, though, huh? That's the bigger question. Yeah. Where's your mommy? And your sisters? And your two brothers? Where'd they go? Yeah, where did they go? We're not quite sure, but Mommy's in charge. Yeah, Mommy's in charge. She knows what she's doing. Here comes your one sister. Right here. There she goes. That was your one sister. Where could the other ones be, huh? I'm sure they'll show up, pretty girl. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure they'll show up, pretty girl. Wow, you got a leaf. All right. Look at that, everybody. She got a leaf. She's taking it away. Her big treasure. Wow. You're so good at that. Where are you going to take it to, huh? Wow. You taking it down there? No? Yeah. Oh, there's your other sister. She's going to come get your leaf. Yeah. You don't want to let go of your leaf, do you? Yeah. What a good girl. Taking it down there? No? Look at her. She's so proud. So proud of her trophy. Yeah. Oh, there's your sister. There comes Mommy. Oh, yeah, that's not Mommy, that's Daddy. Big Boy. Hi, Big Boy. Uh-oh, the little girl just dropped her treasure. Good girl. Good girl. Everybody's having fun on the railing today. Yep. You get your sister's tail? Way up there? Here comes your other sister. Wow! She almost made it. Wow-wee! Sorry. Somebody else wants to visit. There we go. Look at that. Tackled on the railing. Jumper. All right. You gonna jump too? Her sister's really gonna get her. He says, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. She won't quit. Yeah, you're a little panther. Little attack panther. Right? Little attack panther. Wow, look at that attack panther. Your sister just jumped down too. Way at the other end. Okay. Look at that. Time for a drink, she says. While she's busy drinking, Daddy's busy eating. See you later, everybody.